Introducing the Titan 125. Early in 2005, a strategic plan was put into place to consolidate and expand LEECE NEVILLE's line of gear-reduced starter motors. The Titan series was born. Early in the process, it was agreed that a 12-volt version that was capable of cranking the largest big-bore diesel engines for the North American market was desperately needed. Designed by a team of expert engineers from around the world, the Titan 125 was built from the ground up for just that purpose. The 8-kilowatt Titan 125 is the strongest commercially available 12-volt starter on the market today. Period. But it's not just torque. Modern diesel engines require speed to start. The Titan 125 has been engineered to provide maximum speed at the required torque to start the toughest engines in the toughest environments. Gear-reduced starters provide more power in a package that is considerably smaller and lighter than conventional starters. The inline design further reduces the space required for the unit, allowing for maximum flexibility with the minimum number of units. Electrical soft start is the most dependable way to eliminate milling of the ring gear. The soft start design slowly rotates the pinion as the starter is being engaged, ensuring that the pinion is fully engaged with the ring gear before full power is applied. The magnetic switch is a necessary component of the electrical soft start capability. It only makes sense to incorporate it onto the starter. This allows for minimal connection wiring, creating maximum dependability. It also allows for simple replacement of any conventional starter motor. A rotatable nose housing greatly reduces the number of part numbers that are required to provide complete coverage for your customers' vehicles. Inventory levels can be kept low while keeping customer service at a maximum. Overcrank protection is part of the internal design of the starter, eliminating the external plastic connector that can break or corrode. We set out to create the most dependable starter on the market, so it just made sense to build this feature into each and every unit. A major factor in the ability to crank these large diesel engines is environmental factors. Cold temperatures inhibit the chemical reaction within the batteries, reducing their efficiency. At 0 degrees Fahrenheit, the available current from the batteries is only about 45% of the output available at 80 degrees. To make matters worse, thickening of the fluids and tighter clearances due to metal contraction make the engines 3.5 times more difficult to turn over. Add these together and you get a diesel engine that is 4 to 5 times harder to turn at 0 degrees Fahrenheit than it is at 80 degrees. When you have trucks going coast to coast and north to south, you know that you're going to hit cold weather. You may have an engine that is 4 to 5 times harder to turn over at night than it was just that morning. But you need to do more than just turn that engine over. New electronically managed engines need to reach a minimum speed, typically around 100 RPM, before the electronic sensors will allow the engine controller to release fuel into the cylinders. As soon as the starter has created enough torque to successfully turn the engine over, it's the speed that it can achieve that will determine if the engine is going to start. As this chart shows, of the most popular gear-reduced starters currently on the market, only the Titan 125 can generate enough speed to successfully start this engine below 20 degrees Fahrenheit. You need a cranking motor that has the right mix of power, torque, and speed to keep you on the move. It's tough, and we know it. It's been tested in some of the harshest environments on the planet. From the Alaskan tundra to the Australian outback to the roads of the US and Canada, the Titan 125 has been everywhere and survived. Cold starts, extreme wet and grime, dryness, vibration, even the roughest, dirtiest road conditions are no match for the Titan 125 and its 8 kilowatts of power. It's also been tested in the lab, being subjected to months of non-stop cranking on the largest diesel engines available, and it still went on ticking. Nothing can stop the Titan 125. If the Titan 125 can stand up to these grueling conditions, it can certainly handle your driving demands. The Titan 125 is the highest quality starter available today. Made in the USA by hardworking Americans for the hardworking truck drivers of America. There is no substitute for the power and quality that is the Titan 125. Titan gear-reduced starters. Now available in 3 models, the M125, M105, and the M101. The Titan 125. Tough, powerful, efficient, just the way you need it. Because when you're out there on the road, don't trust your precious cargo to just any engine starter. Demand the Titan 125. Available now.